Okay, guys, today we are outside
We're
looking for wild animals.
So I already see two. There's the wildcat. Let's name him Tigger, and let's name the dog over there Tango. So guys, let's watch it. Come on, let's go inside.
Oh shit!
Oh,
Oh shit!
oh my
Oh no! Oh no! Oh shit! I gotta get up here!
Let's go inside.
Robert, I'm at our base. We're playing with Tango. Oh my god. Can you see that? It's Tigger. It's Tigger. Look at that animal.
Guys, now let's go inside real quick.
Robert.
Okay, so guys, let's go inside now. Come on.
Oh!
Well, that works.
I found him.
Come on.
Horse.
Go inside real quick.
Man, this would be eating pie.
Where do you go? Okay, Tango's in there. Okay, guys. We're just playing Locker Leech. Okay, 1 second.
Well, I mean, we already made a Rocket League video, so we can, well, y'all can go and watch that. It's an hour and 15 minutes. You don't have to watch the whole thing.
So guys, real quick. I'm just gonna load into Fortnite. We're not gonna play it right now. Actually, no, wrong game. 1 second.
This is their cage now.
So,
Sorry, this is his cage.
okay,
This is the
no
other
spoilers,
little
no
doggies.
spoilers, no spoilers. No spoilers, don't show them. No spoilers.
I'm sorry, y'all have to go to the black room.
No spoilers. Okay, now we can go. Outside, guys. Yeah, we can't show you this spoiler because it would be too...
We've told y'all, man, this boy, we still eating pie.
We've told y'all in the last video, y'all get to choose what game y'all want us to play. But, text it in the comments and we'll play it. First comment gets,
Guys, I'm sorry I had to delete my Brookhaven videos and my Roblox video. It's got copyrighted, is what it said, but I don't fully know, though.
now we're gonna go...
I think somebody either reported it or
Wildcat
something else.
again. Now we're gonna go,
But if y'all want to just
What
see
about-
Roblox again, then I'll try and upload it without being copyrighted. I don't want to get banned. It's a $20,000 account. Should we just go and hunt through the woods?
that's what we're doing.
Hee. This boy got that bowl cut. Hee. Man, your mom don't know how to cut hair at all. Damn.
Did y'all hear that?
Dang.
Was that a cannonball?
Buddy. It's a bird.
I don't think a cannonball sounds like that.
No, they're louder.
What was that?
Car.
Okay, let's go.
A car blowing up, probably.
Oh, your dad?
Boom! No, it's the Rock Yard. If you ever hear that, it's the Rock Yard. Where's the window?
So we busted a window on accident because we were being dumb.
He shot through a window, and
Yep.
now
And we will post some
it's behind that tree.
YouTube videos about his airsoft guns and my airsoft guns.
Yes, but that's when he comes back over with
Yeah,
us.
and also
Sorry,
in this video we are going to be showing you a
Oh
lot
my
of stuff
God.
in the woods. Kaden, show it to me. So today we're going to be showing you a lot of stuff in the woods, and then we're going to show you my BB gun. So that's really all we're doing today.
I'm about to fall, dude. I'm about to fall. Look at this tree. Oh my God, it's rotten. Oh. Guys, can y'all see that moving? Dude, that... You ready? Oh my god. Dang. Dude. This is crazy. Alright, so I'm gonna jump down now. Hurrah! Oh.
And
These thorn bushes,
we're just
dude.
gonna show you our woods, and then we're gonna show you my beaver.
We're gonna also show you what happened between him and a window. It's pretty funny. I wish y'all, oh! Ugh.
It looks like it's been moved.
Look at this. Look at this, you guys.
It looks like it's been moved.
This whole thing was shattered. Dang, what happened to this tree?
Okay, guys, let's go over here.
Oh, how about I just fell? I said, oof. Oh. I did the Roblox oof emoji.
Looks like a property hole.
Remember that tree that we went to right there? Oh, fucking flip. Look at this, guys. Looks pretty gold. Guys, this is crazy.
Should we
Flip, it has something on it. Oh my god.
Should we keep?
Yeah, that looks old.
Should we
that
keep
looks
it?
old.
Should we
Look
keep
at the
it?
curves.
Should we
Guys,
keep it?
comment if this is old. We're gonna keep it for now until they comment. Man, you got that big forehead.
Should we keep this?
Yeah, for now.
Okay, I'll give it to my
Dang, there
mom.
was a spider that came out of it.
Still.
Guys,
Seems
this is,
like hard.
you can
Oh
just,
my god, this is hard glass. Try not to break it. I'm just trying to.
guys, this is the part where
Oh,
you're,
guys.
what is it?
Baby acorns. It's soft acorns just grown.
What, they fell off of the tree? Oh my gosh. Guys, look at that. Wow.
At any moment. Also, yeah, there's a big tree.
Look at that down there. That fell. There's some animals living in that one. We might want to leave from that one right there.
Yeah, let's go leave.
Let's go back. There's a blue property line right there on the tree. Oh my gosh. Guys. Shut up, squirrel. Look at this. Look at this kid. If y'all can see him. He's on that group of trees.
I probably can't see it. It's a little hard. Should we go closer? No.
No, I'm good. Them things chase you.
Them things jump on your face. They're like,
No, they throw acorns at you. I'm sorry.
they do?
Yeah.
I never saw somebody go, take it. Go this way.
This way. All right.
There's a big tree.
This is just straight.
Oh my gosh, there's two big trees fell.
I thought that car just fell down the mountain. I want to see that. I wish I was here to see the one car. Did it really
You wanna
roll
show
off?
them that one car up there?
Where? We can go up there? Sure.
Well, we ain't gonna go fully up there.
I mean, let's go then. Which way are we going? This way?
Follow me. It's up there.
Guys, look, all we got to do is, I'm not going through that way, but look at this. It's straight briars. Thorn bushes. There's a shotgun shell.
Huh? Is that what we heard yesterday? Them shooting?
Yeah, but there's no way that they were this close. Oh, guys, I'm getting hung up with these briars, dude.
Yep, me too.
Dang, look at this one.
Luckily, I got sweatpants on.
Yeah, luckily I don't. Guys, this is
There's a
crazy.
piece of wood stuck in this.
Look at this. All we have to do now is just come through here, and then you can see our little opening. This could fall on our head right now, but hopefully not. Oh, I fell in this video, sorry. So yeah, we're just gonna show y'all what. Dang, it smells good. It smells good.
Oh, I found it.
What is it? Look at this white rock. What is it?
Fall out. Piece of wood. Look at it.
All right, let's go. So you guys, can y'all comment if y'all know this is old?
Oh, freak.
He just about dropped it.
Not gonna break easily, that's for sure, I think.
I mean, you could probably roll it down this hill right now. Roll it. Guys, look at this.
It doesn't even seem like glass, dude.
Look at this. Seems like hard multi-glass. Did a dog get shot?
Nah, that dog barks all the time.
There's Sadie's house, which is it's a dog. Not like at school, Sadie. Sadie Waller's my flipping cousin. Dude, she always asks everybody for piggyback rides, just like flipping uni.
And whatever her name is.
Sorry, guys.
Yeah, kind of.
Man, look at that. And yes, he is the gamer expert. I'm a car expert.
I know about cars too.
Not much.
Not a lot. Oh my god. You know what this is?
Yeah, it's a spark plug. It's fine. You can grab it.
Oh no.
That's a spark plug. Dang, nothing roasted.
Yeah, it blew out of the truck fully when we were at my bus stop.
Sorry, guys.
Now I got it seems like there could be a lid on it.
You gotta put it up against your chin and do it. And blow down. Here, I got you. Don't know what he's doing.
Little bottle.
Bro got that bowl cut.
Put these two things in the sink real quick. Can you open that door?
Yeah, I got you. Back in the house.
And you can show the name. We can't show them the stuff. Okay. I'm gonna tell my mom to show her real quick. I'll be right back.
Yeah. There's a Doge. Y'all can hear it, definitely. I can already tell you. We cannot spoil this. I'm sorry, this is a game we're going to be playing here in just a bit. But I'm sorry, I cannot spoil it for y'all.
Okay.
I have not spoiled it for them yet.
And
Sorry, guys.
We're gonna do some gaming in this video, maybe.
So this right now, we're trying to save our money up, but this right here is where we stand our phone, right here. And then we point it towards the TV, which is over here. Sorry, I can't spoil the game for y'all. I'm pointing at it. And then after that, this is the outside. He got a small house, but it's fun. They're moving. I mean, you could tell.
And we might show the camper. We'll make a video about the camper too.
But this kid got a bowl cut.
1 second. Let me go show them around some. Just stay on the porch.
I'm the cameraman.
Stay on the porch, and I'm gonna ask my mom when we're gonna go to the camper.
All right. Or
She said we would.
guys, yeah, his house is about maybe $2,000 to $3,000. It's kind of big, but not bigger than mine. Mine's $10.5 million, but and yes, it is true because you can ask him. Just comment in the video, but yeah.
Okay, then we're gonna go in a little bit to show them.
Robert, isn't my house worth almost 10 point something billion?
Yeah.
Million. Sorry, I just said billion.
Yep.
Million. Sorry, guys, not billion.
Adding your furniture, sure, yes.
Adding our furniture, yes, but cars, it's about 20 to 30 million dollars. I said billion. I'm sorry.
It's not worth billion. It's worth million.
Imagine it was.
Is that car still up there? I don't know.
They normally don't take the cars out from up on the mountains.
It was right there.
Guys, I'm gonna chunk y'all. Oh, I see something on a tree.
Yeah, that could be the car.
That's car lights. Where did it roll?
Huh?
Where did it roll?
About right there where that fallen tree is. Over there, where that big fallen tree is. It was saved by that tree. Nobody got injured in it. It was on the news.
Dang, look at these mushrooms. The crap? It's brown mushrooms. Ooh!
Why is it sizzling? Get a close up on this.
It's all around here, guys.
Sorry, I'm not shooting at an angle, but you're sizzling.
Shh, shh. Oh, we might want to move from this spot. That normally means it's about to cave in. Listen, guys.
Yeah, it's already caving in, dude. Look, my finger can go all the way in the ground. Okay, let's get it. Okay.
Thank
There
you.
go.
I'm the cameraman.
Oh, sorry, guys. I just wanted y'all to hear that. Oh, my God, what the freak?
Guys, it's all... Here, let me show y'all. It's all right from there, all around, to right there, and to right there. Listen.
It's all this black, all this gray spot is it. Like if I jump, it caved.
It's still doing it.
Right here, I hear it.
So where's the
Right
car?
there, that car isn't where it goes. They moved it, yeah. It's still doing it. Yeah, it's caving in. It's caving in right there.
Dang.
Right here, I step.
Oh, Robert?
Step right here. Step right here.
No, that's just mud.
I know.
Feel right here, though.
Oh my God. Right here, though.
Oh my God, we're on a rock. We're safe. Guys, look at this.
Oh my gosh, this is so deep. You think it's not deep until you fall in it. You're like, look, guys, show 'em. Oh, shit. See how deep it is? Oh my God, I got in my shoe. It's so cold.
All right. If any of y'all listen to this song, don't worry
Oh my
about
God,
it.
right here.
If y'all are haters of it, don't hate me.
Oh, it takes it.
Us. We're just friends. Cause I'm not breaking as soon as I look in your eyes.
Okay, guys, let's start climbing some trees.
Guys, look at this tree. Is this normal? Is this normal?
Oh, we need to show them that tree that Carter used to have. You know that one that goes,
Oh.
that one's funny.
It is though.
How did
So
that
guys, it
happen?
does this. So it goes like this. It's straight up, then it curves this way, then it swoops around and it goes back up.
It's basically a seat, backwards seat, and then it goes up.
Guys, look at this bush. Anything hiding there? Anything hiding there? Cat, probably. Or cat, imagine.
Cat was there.
Dang, what is under? Oh,
That's where the cat was.
that's a house.
Let's go explore.
Do you want to like throw something in there?
Sure. Something just jumps out.
I told you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
I'll
6,
just
7.
start it.
I think I made it. I think I made it clear. I think I made it clear. Want me to spell it? F-R-I-N-D-S. F-R-I-N-D-S. Brother, don't mess it up. Don't wait, that's it. And also, what I normally call the song is We're Just Friends, because if you search that up, it instantly shows it. It's a Marshmallow Head guy. Oh my God, there's a glass bowl, dude. It's a marshmallow guy, and it's a girl, And the marshmallow guy likes that girl, which is, look at that. Guys, if y'all can see that, I'm gonna zoom in. Oh! The freak are you? The freak are you?
What, the white thing?
Yeah. Guys,
They're a little fuzzy.
look at that.
They're not fun though.
What is that? Go and get that. Dude, look how deep it is over there.
Yeah. This has thorns as a tree. I didn't know there's tree thorns.
They get about this big, guys. I had one stuck in my finger. It hurt. Bad, dude. It slipped my finger open. I had to go to the hospital.
Does it hurt more than?
I had to go to the hospital, Robert.
Does it hurt more than your regular?
Yes, way worse. Your whole finger, the thing goes through your finger. I had to get it surgically pulled out. And also, yes, I slipped my finger.
Oh, that's big.
I slipped my finger.
That bowl's big.
But y'all can't see it. Dang! Pick it up! Look at this.
I don't think I can get that
Dude, get it.
without.
Stomp on the thorn. Yeah, just drag it towards you. Do you need my help? Do you need my help?
Don't jump.
Don't jump. What the freak you mean don't jump?
I might be able to get it. Never mind.
Yeah, you should be able to crouch down and get that. Guys, do you see this thing? Oh my gosh.
I might get thorns.
No, that's just a tree. Guys, do you see this? Oh, the water. Ah! I just got a thorn in my butt. Oh, that hurt. Oh, that hurt. Oh, what does it smell? Is it bad?
I'll bring it up to you and you're going to smell it too.
Man, is it that bad? Sorry, guys, I just jumped there. You're not throwing up, but you're about to.
Smell that.
Oh, God! Oh, my God.
It's just leaves and poo-poo water.
Oh, that is bad, guys. That is bad. Oh. Flip it. Excuse me? Oh, that's... Oh, my God.
Oh, them leaves are covered with poo-poo water.
Poo-poo water. Oh, my God, that's echo poop.
Somebody had to take a poop and they covered it in the bowl. That's for sure.
Go take a poo-poo in the woods. You might want to go and wash your hands.
Yeah, that's actual poop. Come here.
Oh, God.
That's actual poop.
Guys, look at this.
Must be disgusting.
Ugh.
Well, I guess we're bringing this inside too.
Yeah, you need to wash your hands afterwards, dude.
We're washing it with the hose. I'm not bringing this poo-poo smell in my house.
Bro, you need to wash your hands first.
I am.
With soap and water like 50 times, dude. I think someone actually pooped in the bowl.
They did. That's actual poop. No, I'm not joking.
Yeah. Oh my God, I can smell it from here.
You don't want to grab it.
Look at how much far away he is than me. And I can still smell
You
it.
don't want to grab it.
No, I'm good.
You're lucky I'm the one grabbing this.
Yeah, because you're nasty.
I'm not nasty.
You're
I'm about to
nasty.
throw up, dude.
I'm gonna tell Leanne. I'm just joking.
No,
She'll break up with you for
it
anything.
smells like cow dung.
Oh my God.
And you know how bad
Cow
cow
dung?
dung.
Cow dung. Bing chong boom chong.
Turn on that water full blast.
Full blast? You sure full blast, guys? You might get sprayed. Guys, look at this, look at this. It's a sprinkler.
at this one over here.
Dang, son. Look at this.
There we go, I covered
Dude,
it.
that's actual poop water.
Ready?
Guys,
Look,
look at this.
look,
Sorry.
look. Now that's a sprinkler.
Did you just cut it more?
No, look. No, look. You can go jet mode.
Guys, look at this. Look at this. Robert. Guys, look at this.
It's raining tacos from out
Oh. Guys, he just got me. Guys, he just got me. He just got me. Ah. Guys, this phone is soaked. The phone is soaked. Huh? Like bad.
Is it soaked that I have to put in rice?
No.
I'm getting sprayed from this.
The phone cut. Ah! No! Dude, look at this kid. Guys, I'm sorry. What I'm holding right now is straight. Oh my god. Sorry, guys. Gotta wipe off y'all.
Hey, you know what the kitchen is?
Yeah?
Can you go get the soap on the kitchen sink? It's near the kitchen sink.
Alright, hold this. Guys, look at this.
Bring it in there with you.
Alright, guys.
Go get the soap.
He soaked this whole thing.
Yeah.
Guys, I got soaked. I'm sorry. Phone about cut off. I mean, it would have if we kept on spraying. No. Oh, guys. I don't know what happened. All it's showing me straight black, guys. Okay, I got y'all back. They're all so blurry. Sorry, I'm trying to wipe y'all off. So y'all ain't so blurry. If that's okay with y'all. No, y'all are even more blurry. I'm sorry, guys. This is gonna be blurry. This is gonna be really blurry. If y'all can already see. Never mind, it's just not focused. Sorry. Look at how non-blurry this is. Yeah. It just ain't focused. Dude, the whole camera just cut off black in the house. Oh my god.
Wait.
Oh, freak. That went down my shoe. I'll put it in there. Like how much?
Good bit. Until it fills the bottom.
I think that's good.
Yeah, that's good.
Guys, my finger's slick. I'm gonna set this right here.
Turn on full blast, please. Be careful.
Now. Sorry guys, it's just not focused, but when I get close, y'all can see clearly. Dang! Guys, look at this. Oh, my shoe! My shoe! Look what the soap does.
You want to turn it off and play with the bubbles?
Nah. That's poo-poo bubbles.
Not clean.
Guys, look at how many bubbles. Keep on! No, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. It's the bottom one that did it. Bro, shots fired. Bro, shots fired. This kid's trying to shoot me with water. Water, 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 water. Guys, look how many bubbles. Don't hit me with it, dude. Guys, look how many bubbles, dude. The bubbles. You gotta smell it afterwards. Guys, it's straight bubbles. I put a lot of soap in there. You think so? Guys, it's a mushroom. It's a mushroom. They jamming. They're jamming.
So, you put it back in?
Huh? It's up there. Guys, look at this. It's a mushroom. Look.
What?
Y'all gotta look. What?
I got it.
Sorry, I just gotta wipe y'all off. You're using up all her soap.
It's done. You can go put that back in.
Let's see if I can make you a bubble. Oh, got it. Guys, that just went all over me. Look at this. No spoilers. Yours?
Never mind. I need a little bit more on the head. Bring it down.
You ready?
No, bring it down. And I need to spray it.
Guys, I got a couple $300 to $400 camera things, but Mama, I gotta ask
They're
Mama.
on this little circle. Put on that little circle. And then
Sorry.
you can put it up. Just that little circle.
Look at this.
Not that much. Okay, that's it. Okay.
It's straight bubbling. Bubbly, 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 bubbly. The way the soap that is the best. It's literally too good. Bibbly, bobbly, boobly. Even for pranks. That I'm gonna do on him early. Here in a bit. I might. I don't know, guys. I might prank him. Oh, my ear. I got that in my ear. Bibbly, bobbly, boobly. No spoilers. Hey, you ready to catch a phone? Wanna go and do the best camera angle ever? It's jumping your phone on the trampoline. I just wanna.
Can you come down here and turn this off?
Yeah, I got you. Hey, I said a rain foot cream. Sorry guys, I'm hitting the goodie with your phone. I said a rain foot cream. Dang, this kid. This kid. Hey bro, you need a new hose?
I don't know how this happened.
Oh. So you say you need a new hose? Smell it.
It smells like like mountain lightning, not gonna lie.
Huh? What the?
Does it smell like mountain lightning?
It smells like something mixed with mountain lion. Yoo-hoo! Did someone put yoo-hoo in it? Let's go and jump on the trampoline. Guys, I'm just trying to get us some views. If y'all can subscribe, that would make our day. One of his girlfriend, Leanne, she already got, I think, 30 subscribers. We're trying to overtake her by subscribers because she only got 2 videos posted, guys. 2 videos. Isn't that crazy? Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. But we got like 12. That's the problem. Guys, this is what I'm hitting. It's a good camera view. Hello! There's the big boy. Man, I'm gonna jump your phone.
You ever heard it?
I know. Actually, doesn't hurt it. Oh, guys. Monster, or can't you? Meow. Jay tripping. I like to see you move it. No, so I want to do something. Ready, guys? I'm gonna throw it all in the air. Ready? You ready? Oh!
Okay. Oh, dang. You okay? Well, I guess you're not after this. Watch out, stop. Are you okay? I guess you're not after this. It might stop, guys, on accident.
It's still playing.
Did it?
It is still playing.
Watch this, guys. Watch this. Comment if you can do this. Comment if you can do this.
Man, that's easy. Hold it.
Comment if you can do that.
Watch this. I got another one.
Another one. Oh, that's easy. Here, hold this.
Let me do a flip. Last. Oh, my arm got tongue. Dude.
In the middle of the flip, I'm gonna hold this.
No, I love doing that. Please. I love doing that.
So guys, now I'm gonna hold it while doing a flip. 1, 2, 3. Woo!
All right, guys. Now it's my turn. I'm the cameraman. I'm more athletic than him, though.
Can't do the split.
The splits? You can't. I'm close, though. Ready, guys? So the first one out of all of them is knee flip. Which y'all can see that. Now the next one is straight up foot flip. Which is I about just landed it.
What's it?
Now
It's my turn, and I'm doing the knee flip, and then I'm doing the butt knee flip, okay? And then I'm gonna do a real front flip. Let me wipe you off. Knee front flip. Well, butt knee front flip. Butt. Ah, shoot.
You messed up.
I messed up. Let me try this then. Butt knee.
Oh, that was bad. You're trash at it.
So,
I just said you're trash at it. You need to practice.
butt knee front flip.
There you go.
And then now I'm doing front flip.
Hold on, can I do a side flip? I'm gonna do a side flip, guys. What's up, Robert? Video them. This is the best side flip I can do.
Now I'm gonna try to do a side flip.
That is not a side flip.
I know, it's so hard, dude.
I learned when I was 5.
Front flip. Bet you can do a backflip.
A backflip, you can't either.
I know. Frick.
I'm close though. My sister is right there at it.
I thought she can do it.
Not fully.
Okay, guys, I guess.
Tell me, guys, he's gelling me.
Okay, guys, I guess that's it for now.
So drop the throwing. Okay.
Well, after
This
this,
is
after
the end of the video right here.
this is the end of the video. Me and him are gonna do front flips, and then I'm gonna throw it up. You do a front flip first.
Let's do it, guys.
Ah! Let's do this. Oh,
Not you, dude. And then
now throw it up. Watch out.
and now, guys.
I believe I can fly.
Hey, I believe I can touch the sky.
And that's it for today. Oh, yeah.